Hello everyone, and welcome to another Crimson Moon Warhammer Underworlds Battlereport.
The blue blah 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 that'll be blah, 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 are the Sepulchral Guard and Ironskull's boys.
This will be a nice quick battle to get your skeletons rattled for Orktober, Spooktober. The teams will go for one game, and as usual, whoever has the most points wins. Now let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Despite Ironskull's boys getting an extra crit, they still lost the roll-off. The Prince of Dust moves up 2 spaces, nothing was played for cards, and now the orcs get to activate.
Gurzag Ironskull charges the petitioner who's stuck in the ground. I would say get out of the way, but I don't think he's going to be doing a lot of moving in general. He rolls... What? Damn it! Wait for the attack roll! He got hit, and, well, obviously didn't save. So that's first... blood? Bones? Crack? I don't know. Yeah, don't expect a lot of blood this bat rep.
You don't know. Maybe one of the orcs will get a nosebleed.
The orcs then score Savage Exemplar. Then they gave Basha the upgrade Headlong Rush.
The skeletons play Spit Venom on Ironskull, and then the Sepulchral Warden brings back the petitioner. That petitioner then inspires. Then they played Insect Swarm, but it failed to go through.
Haka charges through a hazard hex, which causes him to inspire and attacks the champion. He missed, and then moves using Brutal but Cunning onto an objective hex.
The champion smacks Ironskull and... Great, never mind.
Bone Cutter, perfect name, charges the champion and got him twice. The champion doesn't save, but he lives with 2 wounds on him.
Damn it! I actually wanted him to die! A different petitioner charges Ironskull, and damn it!
Basha moves in to kill this guy. He got him, and the petitioner doesn't save. 1 damage to that guy.
Oh, come on! Just kill him! Come on, kill him right now! Do it! Do it now! He's there! Kill him!
Jeez, relax. The orcs then score Treasure Hunter at the end of the phase. And now on to turn 2.
The skellies still take turn 1, and so the warden moves up 1. Then he plays Choking Venom on himself.
Haka tries to take out the petitioner. Okay, we'll just call this guy Petitioner 1. He hit him 3 times, and yeah, no, he didn't survive. Don't worry, he actually killed him this time. Then Basha was given Savage Strength as an upgrade.
The warden attacks Ironskull. He got him twice, and even though Ironskull got a crit, it wasn't enough. That's 2 damage, and because of Choking Venom, it bumps it up to 3. Almost there.
Ironskull smacks the champion before he probably dies. He got 2 crits, which deals 1 damage.
What?
I'm joking. He's dead. Jeez.
The warden smacks again, and the boss doesn't save. First blood!
That's not first blood.
First blood!
Well, that scores the guard their first point for mass poisoning.
Callus and Poison Master were then given to the warden.
Bone Cutter charges the warden. He hit him once, and the warden doesn't save. 2 damage to the boss.
The warden brings back the champion, and then they both inspire. Then the champion was given the Venomite weapon.
The orcs played Ferocious Lunge and Ferocious Blow. Then Basha charges the Harvester. Basha hit and dealt 3 damage to him. Finally, the orcs score Intimidating Display. Now to the final round. For once, the orcs take turn 1. Bone Cutter goes first. He strikes the boss, but it's blocked. Haka was then given Aspiring Boss.
Haka was also given Bleeding Out. Consider it a downgrade.
Basha was given savage speed. Now onto the skeleton's turn.
The Prince of Dust moves up, but doesn't strike.
Haka jumps in to save Bone Cutter. He smacked the boss, and the boss doesn't save this time. Now both team leaders are dead. Thrill the Hunt was played to heal Haka back to full health, but we're pretty sure he still suffers from bleeding out.
The Prince of Dust smacks Bone Cutter. He got him twice, which isn't blocked. 2 damage to the Bone Cutter. Then they played Insect Swarm again to hopefully take him out. Yes! 2 wounds! Another orc down. This scores Toxic Demise for the Sepulchral Guard. Then they played Ill Prepared on Haka. Because of Ill Prepared and bleeding out, the guard are able to score another card. Deluge of Toxins.
Basha charges the Prince of Dust and got him once. It isn't blocked, but he survives. Oh, what? Now you don't want them to die?
The Prince strikes back. Oh, come on! Well, after that action, Choking Venom was played again for the Prince.
The orcs can't do anything, so they just draw.
The Prince strikes Basha. He definitely got him, but because he didn't do any damage previously, he doesn't kill him. The guard scored dual contamination in the end, but just like that attack, it wasn't enough to win the game. The final score was 12-7 for an orc victory. Thank you all for watching our first video for Orktober Spooktober 2024. We've got 2 more videos coming up, which will be longer than this one. Hope you enjoyed the quick little bat rep and will stick with us through the rest of the year. Thank you all once again, and remember to always paint your walls crimson.
Phew, okay. I think that was fast enough for my pizza to be done.
Oh, you made pizza?
Yeah, it's in the microwave.
You were making microwave pizza this whole time?
Well, I mean, I didn't make it. It's leftovers from last year.
You were reheating leftover pizza that's a year old for this whole bat rep? How long is this bat rep?
I don't know. I wasn't keeping track at the time. But I'm sure it's done by now.